A tapestry of different climates weave through Mexico, from rainforest in the southeast to hot desert in the northwest. Starting on the Caribbean coastline at one of Mexico's easternmost points, Cancun enjoys a tropical savanna dry winter climate, which it shares with Mexico's famous Riviera Maya region nearby to the south. This picturesque region, which includes Playa del Carmen, Isla de Cozumel, Tulum, and many other popular resort spots, has moderate rain in winter and spring, which increases in the sometimes stormy summers, and in the autumn rainy season. Hurricanes do strike the area occasionally, with Cancun being more prone than the Riviera Maya. South of the Riviera Maya, the rains pick up, and the port city of Chetumal has a tropical monsoon climate. Chetumal is particularly prone to hurricanes on account of its Caribbean coastal location, and experiences more extreme weather than the Riviera Maya to the north. Moving southwest, we pass through the Lacondon jungle. Once a much larger rainforest, Lacondon has lost over two-thirds of its size since the 1970s, but the remaining forest has a tropical rainforest climate, with high levels of consistent rain throughout the year. Coming to the west coast of Mexico and the Pacific Ocean is Acapulco, which, in keeping with its famous resort city status, enjoys a tropical savanna dry winter climate. Wet summers and early autumns bring tropical storms and hurricanes with consistent heat all year. Several nearby famous cities share the tropical savanna dry winter conditions with Acapulco, but with variations, including Cuernavaca, which, while still tropical, is between 3 and 8 degrees Celsius cooler than Acapulco year-round. Puerto Vallarta, which has cooler winters and springs than Acapulco. And Mazatlan, which has much drier summers and autumns than Acapulco, and cooler winters and springs. Now inland, to the capital and most populous city in North America, Mexico City. Perched on Mexico's central plateau, Mexico City's high elevation combines with its tropical latitude to give the city a subtropical highland climate, with comfortable temperatures all year devoid of extreme fluctuations. Precipitation is concentrated in the summer months, where you can expect rain most days. Winter has very little precipitation. Mexico City's climate is unusual in that the spring months of April and May are warmer than the summer months. The nearby tourist destinations and state capitals of Guanajuato and Queretaro have the same or 1 to 3 degrees warmer temperatures than Mexico City each month. Queretaro's less substantial summer rainfalls bring it into the hot semi-arid climate zone. West to Guadalajara, a high-altitude city located just over 100 kilometers north of the active volcano Colima. Guadalajara has a humid subtropical climate with warm and wet summers and early autumns and comfortable dry winters and springs. Oaxaca, a city popular with tourists, has a very similar climate to Guadalajara despite its great distance away, with the main difference being that Guadalajara has about double the rain of Oaxaca in July and August. Now passing the Tropic of Cancer, we enter the belly of the dry Mexican plateau. The plateau is wedged between two ranges, the Sierra Madre Oriental, which lies near the Gulf of Mexico and the American border, and the Sierra Madre Occidental, which lies near the Gulf of California and the Pacific Ocean. The city of Chihuahua is representative of conditions on the plateau, with a hot semi-arid climate that includes hot summers with moderate rainfall and mild, dry winters with sometimes chilly nights. Continuing north on the Mexican plateau and arriving at the Rio Grande River on the border with the state of Texas is Ciudad Juárez, commonly just called Juárez. This economic hub has a hot semi-arid climate with just enough summer rains to avoid being classified as a desert climate. Significant seasonal variations include winter lows near 0 degrees Celsius and summer highs at 36 degrees Celsius. To Mexico's far west, the Baja California Peninsula. This is one of the driest regions in Mexico, and the state capital of La Paz has a hot desert climate with warm winters and springs and hot summers and autumns. September is the rainiest month, but this still amounts to only a few days with rain during the month. The waters of the Gulf of California off La Paz markedly warm in the lead up to the summer months. Finally, to the American border and the city of Tijuana. Average temperatures are comfortable year-round here with mild winters and springs transitioning to warm summers and falls, giving the city a cold, semi-arid climate very near to hot semi-arid. Summers are dry here, with most rain falling in the winter months. The California current protects the area from the North American monsoon that creates the September rains in La Paz further south. So here we shake our maracas and tip our sombreros in salutation to Mexico. Until next climate time, join us for the worldwide wander.